Hello everybody! In this video we're going to talk about the learning theories. I'm Karime.
Hi, I'm Frida.
Hi, I'm Angie.
I'm Alonso.
And keep watching!
Now we're going to see the cognitive theory of psychology. The first person who spoke about this theory was Noam Chomsky in 1959. This theory explains how the learners actually learn something. Its main focus is the mind and the mental processes.
You think they have the same? Okay. Now we're going to pour this juice into this glass. Now, do you think that this glass has more juice, this glass has more juice, or do you think that they have the same amount?
That one has more.
This one has more, and why do you think that this one has more?
Because it's
So first we're going to look at these two cups right here. Do you think there's the same amount of juice in this glass as there is in that glass?
they're even.
They're even? Okay. So we're going to take the juice from this glass and pour it into this one right here.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're going to look at this glass and that one. So do you think that there's more juice in this glass, more juice in this glass, or do you think that they have the same amount?
Same amount.
Okay, why do you think that they have the same amount?
Just because this is skinny doesn't mean it's not the same amount. It has the same amount of juice in it, but
Hi, I'm going to talk to you about behaviorism. Behaviorism, developed by Skinner, Watson, and Pavlov, is a systematic approach to understanding the behavior of humans and other animals. It assumes that all behaviors are either reflexes produced by a response to certain stimuli in the environment, or a consequence of what individuals history, including especially reinforcement and punishment, together with the individual's current motivational state and controlling stimuli. Behaviorism focuses on one particular view of learning, a change in external behavior achieved through using reinforcement and repetition to shape behavior of learners. Skinner found that behaviors could be shaped when the use of reinforcement was implemented. Desired behavior is rewarded, while undesired behavior is not rewarded. Incorporating behaviorism into the classroom allows educators to assist their students in excelling both academically and personally. In the field of language learning, this type of teaching was called the audiolingual method, characterized by the whole class using choral chanting of key phrases, dialogues, and immediate correction. Within behaviorist view learning, the teacher is the dominant person in the classroom and takes complete control. The learner does not have any opportunity for evaluation or reflection with the learning process. They are simply told what is right or wrong. The conceptualization of learning using this approach could be considered superficial, as the focus on it is on external changes in behavior. And that's what behaviorism it is. See you next!
The humanistic theory is a theory for second language acquisition. It was proposed by Maslow and Rogers, but Rogers was the one that focused it more on second language acquisition. This theory works under three conditions. The first one is empathy, the second is congruency, and the third one is unconditional positive support. This theory is based on the teacher working as a facilitator for the student, because the teacher has to be always facilitating the learning for the student.
The teacher's role in this theory is to facilitate and motivate the learning process of the student. The role of the student in this theory is decide what they're going to learn and also master their own learning approach. And finally, the materials. In this theory, the materials are focused on feelings and emotion, so they like to get involved with people. Working in teams and getting to discussions help them to improve their learning process.